Good morning, children. Myself Rajesh D. Cruz. Welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy. Children, already I have completed some parts, some portion of the first term, and whatever lessons I have completed, on that only I have given some homeworks. So please, children, do this homework in the SW copy and come for the corrections when the school reopens. Okay, children. So this is the homework of class 8 social science. First question: draw an outline map of India and show two kingdoms of ancient period and two kingdoms of medieval periods. So you have to draw a map of India, outline map of India, and in that you have to show two ancient period. Example: Nanda dynasty, Maurya Empire, medieval period, Chola dynasty, Pallavas, Pandyas. So many empires are there, so many kingdoms are there. So you have to show any two ancient kingdoms and two medieval kingdoms. Okay, second question. What archaeological sources are used by the historians to write the history? Explain. So there are two sources to write the history that historians used to write: literary sources and archaeological sources. So you have to write the archaeological sources. What are the archaeological sources? You have to write every item, each of them, at least 5 or 6 you write the items and explain how they use it. Third question: who were the Dutch? Where did they come from? Discuss. So Dutch people, they were the traders. They had come from the Denmark. So you have to write who are the Dutch and how. Talking about where did they come from? That means already I have told you about the this country where they have come. So you have to write. You have to discuss about that. Write 5 to 6 lines. Fourth, why were the British easily able to defeat native Indian states? So there are some reasons. Because of that, the Indian states were defeated by the British. So what was the reasons that you have to write? Fifth questions. Make a well-designed poster on the theme reduce, reuse and recycle. It is a geography. We have learned about the resources. So resources, the materials are there. Some are reused, some are recycled, and some are reused. So you have to write notes on that. That is talking about. Also you have to make a poster. 6 questions. What is conservation? What measures can be taken to conserve natural resources? Conservations, I have taught you conservations. What is conservations? You have to define the conservations and some measures. That means how to conserve the resources, that you have to write some of the measures. 7. Today, the whole world is facing a challenge to defeat the coronavirus. It is very dangerous. Why? You know that coronavirus, nowadays we are suffering by the one very dangerous disease that is called coronavirus. It is very dangerous. So there are so many diseases, but how it is very dangerous? I think, and everybody thinks it is very dangerous than the other diseases, but how it is very dangerous, that whole world is afraid of. So you have to write it, how it is dangerous and how they are different from those all other diseases. ये दूसरे disease से different कैसे है इसको बताना है आपको, because I know that it is different from the other diseases. That is why whole world is afraid of these diseases. Okay, 8 questions. Does your family have rules for every family members? If yes, name some of them. So we know, I have learned about the laws. A country needs a law to run the country. So every institutions, every organizations have certain rules and laws. Even in the family also there are certain rules and laws. So if there is certain rules in your family, so what are the rules in your family? For whom this rule is applied, that you have to write it. Okay, 9 questions. Why do we need dowry provisions act. Dowry is a very bad image in the society. We know that everybody is suffering out of it. So this should be prohibited. Why? What is the reasons that you have to write the answers? Okay, and then questions. Do the exercise of history, geography and civics lesson 1 each in your SW copy. So whatever lessons I have taught you, lesson 1 in each history, civics and geography, the exercise you have to write in the SW copy. Okay children, thank you very much. Write this homework in the SW copy and get ready for the corrections so that when you come, I can give the corrections. Okay, thank you. Bye.